What is up, everybody? It is Oh So Dope, and I am back for another video. So if you're new here, make sure you just stop what you're doing now and hit that subscribe button. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for joining me on my YouTube journey. So let's just get right into the video. So today I'm going to be doing a review slash try on of the B Simone Beauty, one of her matte lipsticks, I believe it is. One of my dear friends got it for me, and so I figured why not go ahead and try it with you guys today on camera. So I just got it today. I have not used it or anything, so I want you guys to see it with me for the first time. All right, so this is the packaging that it comes in. Boom, so cute. I love it. It's like metallic, it's all cute, whatever. It comes with like this little cute like iridescent like in white confetti in the box. Then you get this B Simone Beauty card, which basically says B Simone Beauty. It has a picture of her right here, and it has her her website and her Instagram. And then it says, thank you for purchasing B Simone Beauty. I hope you enjoy your purchase. Tag us in your posts with hashtag B Simone Beauty on Instagram for the chance to be featured on our page, which I'm definitely gonna do after I take me some pictures, right? So these lip glosses retail for the lip glosses and lipsticks retail for $16. I know she has lip liners too. Those are $12, I think. I had watched a couple videos of other people like reviewing them just to like get an idea of what they look like and stuff. So this is a lip gloss that I have here. So this box, y'all, it is so cute. Let me show y'all up close. Excuse my nails, y'all. I told y'all I'm getting them done for my birthday. We got 2 months. So it says B Simone Beauty, then it says lip gloss, then it has her signatures on there. I know it's kind of hard to see. Then it just has the ingredients on the back side, and then on the opposite side it says faith over fear, which is so cute. I love it. Then on the bottom we have number 4, which is link in bio. This is the name of this one. So I'm gonna open it. This packaging is so cute. I'm loving the like metallic holographic feel. I love that. And this card is very cute. So this is the lip gloss. It is so cute. You can see here it has her name. And what I like about this is that this is how it is, like this is how it looks when you hold it upright. But when you hold it the opposite way, you guys can kind of see it looks like a lipstick, like kind of how this is like this. This is what that looks like on the inside when you flip it upside down, which is super cute, right? So we're gonna go ahead and swatch it. This is so cute. This is beautifully packaged. I really like the packaging. The applicator, really nice. It doesn't have a smell to it. I have tattoos literally everywhere, so I'm gonna try to swatch it somewhere where y'all can see. I'm brown skin too, so I might not be able to see it too well, but you can see it's like a brown, like a nude. I love nudes and browns to wear on my lips and on my eyes. I just feel like it looks really good on my skin. So we're gonna go ahead, I'm gonna zoom you guys in, and we're gonna go ahead and try some of this on. I love the packaging. It came super freaking fast. I think my friend ordered it like 3 days ago and it just came here today. Pretty quick. It comes from Atlanta, so not too bad. Didn't have to worry about shipping like overseas or anything, which was good. Like, so everything is good there. So I'm gonna try this on. I think what I'm gonna do is I think I'm gonna go with my brown lip liner first and then put this on. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take a brown lip liner. This needs to be sharpened, y'all, so bad, so I'm really doing my best. But this brown is way better than the brown of my other one in my hand. But yeah, and I think this one is actually almost gone anyway, so I'm gonna just use it to darken it up a little. Okay, so now y'all see I've got my little base going. And with the color of my lips, honestly, I would be perfectly okay with wearing this and just like throwing a gloss over it because I feel like it looks cute. It already looks like I have a lip color on, but I really just have one blended out liner. I'm gonna do a lip combo video so I can show y'all like what my fave lip combos are to do or whatever. So yeah, let's try this one, honey. So I had to do my bangs. I had to change my whole hairstyle, y'all. I had a cute, like, get into the part, honey. I didn't do any baby hairs. I really wasn't feeling it today. But I had like a whole little side swept, like, bang. My hair was, it was super cute. My lash kept on. Do y'all have this problem when y'all wear side parts, your lashes just get like all like droopy and it makes you like you have a lazy eye? I cannot stand that. Literally, it's so annoying. So I just tucked it behind my ear and I was like, you know what, forget it, I'm gonna just do this. Get into the hairline, guys. Updated review coming soon. Okay, anyway, back to the video. So like I said, I'm gonna zoom y'all in. Oh, this is so pretty. It's like a pretty, oh, I love nude. Like, I love this. And it feels really lightweight. I'm just gonna blend it. I really like it. Now, I wouldn't wear this by itself just because I feel like it looks really close to my skin. So I would definitely make sure I had a liner to wear around the edges. So I'm just gonna touch up my liner. And this consistency reminds me of like my NYX, my favorite one, which is Abu Dhabi. And this one is like a pretty like pinkish like nude. But yeah, I'm liking this. I really think it's so cute. It's a really cute nude. It dries pretty fast. My lips don't feel like cracky. So yeah, I got the color link in bio. It doesn't feel like it's cracking or anything on my lips. It feels like suede, like literally. It feels really soft. It doesn't have a smell. The packaging is super cute. It's super affordable. I feel like you can pair this with anything. Now, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a gloss over it because that's just what I've been doing lately. So I'm going to take my e.l.f. lip plumping gloss and I'm going to go over this very lightly. honey, this is about to be my new summer lip combo. I love it. It's so cute. It complements this look so well. I personally like it. I think it goes great with this look. I knew what color I was getting because she let me pick. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna make sure I do like a gold like type of look. This was like my everyday makeup look that I used to wear to work when I worked at Hooters. Because it was like simple. I never really wore like a lot of colors and stuff on my eyes because it was just like already too much going on. So yeah. Like I said, I love it. I'm gonna definitely be using this more and more in my videos. I really like it. I'm definitely gonna purchase more. I definitely want to try her liners and some of her other glosses and lipsticks. So yeah, B Simone, you did a great job. I love the packaging. Super cute, super cute. Very simple but super duper freaking cute. So yeah, that was it for this video. I just wanted to come on here and give you guys my thoughts on the B Simone Beauty lipsticks and stuff. So yeah, you guys should check it out. I'm gonna link her website below. So I will see you in my next one. Bye.